Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, AI Infinity. Today, we're going to show you how to create your own lo-fi music channel with AI, and it's easier than you might think. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let's get started. The channel which is showing you inspire me with this idea. The important thing in this channel is it have more than million subscriber and majority of its video have more than million views. There are some more example as showing above. The first step in creating your lo-fi channel is to generate some lo-fi beats using an AI tool. We recommend using Mubert, a fantastic music creator AI. It's a popular choice among content creators and artists for generating music. To get started, click on Generate a Track. Now, you can customize your music. Select your preferred genre, mood, and activity. For example, you can choose ambient for the genre, calm for the mood, and sleeping for the activity. Adjust the track length to your preference and hit Generate Track. After a bit of processing, your music will be ready. Click the download icon and your music will be saved to your device. Repeat this step to create more lo-fi tracks. To share your lo-fi music, you need a YouTube channel. If you don't already have one, we'll walk you through it. Sign in with your Google or Gmail account and set up your channel with a unique name and YouTube handle. For that purpose we will use ChatGPT to help us and suggest a name for our channel. Let type in prompt suggest me a name for my YouTube channel LoFi Music. For that purpose I am using ChatGPT. Now it's showing some suggestion for Cozy Cave Beats. It looks good to me. To make your channel look more professional, create a logo and channel banner. We suggest using Canva for this. It's a free and user-friendly design tool. You can generate a logo and customize it as well as create a channel banner with your channel name like Cozy Cave Beats and other elements. With your logo and banner ready, customize your YouTube channel. Add a channel description using AI-generated text or your own. Be sure to add your logo and banner to your channel's branding settings. Before uploading your LoFi tracks, ensure they're downloaded and ready to go. Use your channel URL to confirm that you have the rights to use this music. To share your LoFi music on YouTube, you need to create a video. Use an AI image generator, like Canva, to create an image that fits your music theme. Use a video editing tool like CapCut to create a music video. Add your LoFi music and the generated image. Customize your video with effects and filters. When your video is ready, export it. Upload your music video to your YouTube channel. Add a proper title, description, and tags. Don't forget to create an eye-catching thumbnail for your video. If you want to achieve quick success on YouTube, consider live streaming your LoFi music, or create longer videos, around 2 to 3 hours in length. Longer videos often get more views and watch time. Lastly, if you're using the AI tool Mubert, remember that they offer a free trial, but for commercial use, you might want to consider their pro version. You can also join their affiliate program to earn commissions. And there you have it. You're now on your way to creating a successful LoFi music channel on YouTube. Share your experiences and results in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. See you next time.